Father-daughter duo Jordan and Salish Matter are quickly climbing up the ranks of the world's most successful YouTubers. But how much they earn in a day might just shock you. The family posts one video a week to their 27 million subscribers and get an average of 8 million views every single day. Jordan Matter started his YouTube channel as a photographer, capturing shots of popular dancers and TikTokers. His fame rocketed after posting several 10-minute photo challenges with stars, including Abby Lee Miller, Charlie D'Amelio, and Sophie Dossi. But the real star of Jordan's content is his 15-year-old daughter Salish, who makes a regular appearance on the channel and is to thank for his most successful videos. The channel's most popular videos have gained up to 90 million views. But let's break down how much the family actually earn. According to Social Blade, the Matter family is estimated to earn up to $600,000 per month on YouTube revenue, and that doesn't include money made from branded partnerships or from other social media platforms like TikTok, where Matter has gained an extra 6 million followers. The channel's most viewed video, a 24 hours in a water park challenge, has alone earned up to an estimated $350,000. According to multiple sources, Matter's total net worth is estimated to be around $50 million and lives in a lavish mansion in California with his wife Lauren and 2 children, Salish and her brother Hudson. But it hasn't all been smooth sailing for the family.
YouTube father-daughter duo Jordan and Salish Matter have revealed a tragic accident that rocked the family's world. 15-year-old Salish Matter and best friend Nidal Wonder regularly post videos about their close friendship to their combined YouTube subscribers of over 30 million, with many fans shipping the couple and commenting on speculation about them dating. However, tragedy struck when Salish's father Jordan and Nidal both posted videos to their YouTube channels announcing that Nidal was involved in a scooter accident. It was explained that Nidal had been hit by a car whilst riding his electric scooter and his family feared he lost his life.
You know, we all thought you were dead, Nidal, for like 3 days.
Luckily, Nidal survived the accident, but had many serious injuries, including a broken collarbone, broken leg, and a brain injury.
Cut my head open and they took a chunk of blood out.
He also explained how he had to be put in a coma for 5 days.
Whenever I woke up from the coma, everyone was so surprised I was alive. They thought I was gonna die.
Nidal had to undergo extensive physical therapy to regain his strength and mobility, and he also said that his mental health also suffered.
The road to recovery is filled with obstacles, both physical and emotional. This journey is not meant to be traveled alone.
His best friend Salish reacted emotionally to the news with a heartfelt Instagram post, and she even travelled all night to visit him and surprise him.
This is my best friend Nidal's house, and I'm about to surprise him with a super fun scavenger hunt. Wake up, Nidal!
Salish?
Good morning!
Nidal has since made significant progress and appears to be regaining his ability to get back on track to a normal life.
However, they're not the only YouTube family that have announced some big news.
After a tragic loss, this huge YouTube family of 18 just got even bigger, but fans are divided after a controversial name reveal. Cassidy Parker, the second eldest daughter of the 16 children from the Not Enough Nelsons clan, has been open about her struggles with fertility to her almost 5 million subscribers on her own YouTube channel, Just Cass. The 25-year-old has documented her journey of trying to get pregnant over the last 3 years, and shared a heartbreaking clip at her first pregnancy scan where the sonographer failed to find the baby's heartbeat.
That's not what I was expecting. I was supposed to be exciting.
Cass went on to share the details of her miscarriage at 14 weeks and described the experience as traumatic after coming close to being a life-threatening loss.
That was very traumatic. So we found out that I was hemorrhaging. I know that some people go through that when they have a baby, is they hemorrhage, and it's really, really scary. You're basically just losing blood like crazy and you can die.
Cass also found out that she had polycystic ovaries and a rare blood type, which would mean any future pregnancies would also likely result in a miscarriage.
I have Rh negative blood, which I didn't even know. Basically, that is a very rare blood. I think about 15% of the entire world has Rh negative blood. That is a blood type where
you can only have one baby, and then after your one baby, basically your body's gonna fight off every other baby unless that baby also has Rh negative blood, which is extremely rare.
Over the next few years and multiple failed pregnancy tests, Cass and her husband Josh decided to undergo IVF and shared their emotional journey to their followers. In June 2024, Cass revealed to her subscribers that she was finally pregnant again after their IVF embryo transfer was successful, and shared the reactions of her husband, parents, and 15 siblings after breaking the news. Cass gave birth to a daughter just before Christmas and introduced her to the world and her followers in an emotional YouTube video. And after a long-awaited reveal, Cass told her siblings and her audience the baby's name, after having it embroidered on a custom Dior bag worth over $3,000.
Suede.
Wait, that's cute. That's really cute.
So her first name is Suede.
But despite most of the siblings claiming to like the name,
Oh, that's cute. I like it.
That's really cute.
fans are divided. One commented, "Isn't suede literally a material or something like that? No offense, but why would you name your child that?" In response, another replied, "Worse, it's animal hide. Poor kid." However, others shared their congratulations in the comments for Cass after a difficult pregnancy journey.